What's up, everybody? So we're back here again. I got Luke here with me. He brought his SC300 over again, and we're gonna do a little bit cleanup on it. We're gonna detail the engine bay a lot like what I did on the Civic. His is a lot dirtier than what the Civic was, just because it had power steering fluid and stuff that just got all over the place from when we did that. You know, it's been a little while ago now.
Install and then reinstall.
Yeah, we had the, I don't know, it just made a mess.
Yeah, it did.
I hated that.
That became a mess.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna clean that up today. We may try to sand and repaint his headlights.
Yeah, that might be a thing.
I don't know. When that cracked, that just killed me. So hopefully we can get that fixed.
Yeah, they look pretty good outside, but in sunlight you can see all the cracks. So we will see.
They'll see it when we get out there and start filming. So.
True.
Unlike the Civic, where I did it just by hand in the garage here, it's at least nice enough outside. I think we're gonna attempt to pressure wash it clean.
Oh, we're doing it.
Yeah.
We're
So.
gonna be
It's got a lot of grease, a lot of dirt, a lot of leaves, so this will hopefully not take too long, but
I don't think it will. I think it'll be a quick one.
yeah. I don't know. We'll see. We'll take you guys outside, we'll set you up, and get this thing clean. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and start cleaning this all off. As you guys can see here, that's probably not going to stay there, but I just tried covering up the spark plugs holes, or covering the wires. I don't want to get those wet. Got the alternator covered up. And then our air box here, whoever the previous owner was, decided to cut out a notch. I don't know why. But I put a piece of like cardboard in there just to help keep water out of the airbox. We'll probably go ahead and disconnect the battery just so there's no electrical components on. As far as the stuff that we're going to be using, I just have it sitting here. Just a bottle of degreaser, squirt bottle, assortment of brushes, and then we have this nice pressure washer. So hopefully this works pretty good. Gets it a lot cleaner because, as you guys can see here, this engine bay is pretty dirty. So let's go and start cleaning this thing. I actually took the battery out just to get that clean underneath there. That was a brand new battery, so there's no point in cleaning that. That's dirty. And I tried to avoid from spraying that wet. We need to go ahead and tape or cover that up because that's the distributor, so I don't want to get that wet either. So we're gonna grab a paper bag or a plastic bag and mask that off as well. Alright, so you guys can see we got the battery and everything hooked back up. Everything's cleaned off. I think this looks a lot better than what it did before.
10 times better.
No more like grease and stuff. I mean, it's not 100% perfect, but for now it'll work. I mean, eventually you're planning on what?
We're gonna respray.
Yeah, I think eventually. That's quite a ways from now, but
yeah, it is a ways away, but
yeah, I think this engine bay turned out a lot better than what it was. It's no longer gummy and nasty, so let's I guess go ahead and bring this thing back in the garage. I don't know if you want to do anything with the headlights right now, or
I mean we can.
Yeah.
If you want.
I mean we can try and sand these and respray them. So I guess let's go ahead and bring this back in.
Yep.
So you guys can see here we just got the car back in the garage. We already started masking off the headlights because we're gonna sand these and I don't know, see how they turn out. I just want to get rid of that cracked look. We're gonna try to respray them. If it cracks again, I'm done. I'm not wanting to do this anymore. I mean, I don't know about you. Are you sick of it?
This is stupid.
That goddamn heater keeps kicking on. Every time I turn this camera on.
That's fine.
Oh well.
Hopefully you can hear us.
Yeah, I hope you guys can still hear us. But yeah, we're gonna go and sand it. Start off with 600 grit, work our way up to like 1,000, 1,500 grit, just like we did before. Like I said, I just want to get these headlights fixed and looking clean and clear because,
or at least less cracky.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'm tired of having these cracked looking headlights. It's happened on the Civic, and now it's happened on the SC, and it's like...
This is the last time I restore headlights.
Yeah, so...
Oh, it's kicking on now.
Okay, we're going to get to work. You guys can see now we got the headlights all sanded, remasked and everything. That took forever to get that clear coat off, but it should be good now, so we can go ahead and spray our adhesion promoter. Hopefully that helps. We'll leave them on the car this time because I think doing them on the floor is too cold. I'm trying to keep it somewhat more warm because I don't know if that was the issue. Hopefully this works because, like I said,
this is the only time we're doing it.
I don't want to do it anymore. So we're just gonna go ahead and attempt this. Use the adhesion promoter, leave them on the car, have them all masked off. Got them warm. I use a heat gun to kind of heat them up just to see if that helps. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and start spraying. Finally, we got these headlights looking good. No cracks. I mean, it's still wanted to crack just a little bit at the top, but it is clear.
We're done.
It's 100 times better than what it was before. I can finally see inside. You can see the black housing, which is awesome. Same thing with the other side. Like they still want to crack a little bit. I don't know if it is that paint that we're using.
I think it's the paint.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I took a heat gun. I heated up the lenses and stuff. It's on the car. It's off the ground. We use adhesion promoters, so
we've done literally everything.
Yeah, I mean, if you guys know what's causing that or have any like ideas, throw it down in the comments. Otherwise, I don't think I'm ever gonna use that paint again for doing headlights. I'm probably gonna get like legit auto body clear coat to use.
I'm never restoring headlights ever again.
Well, I mean, I may do it again, but I don't want to use that clear coat again.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I think the headlights turned out awesome now. I guess let's see how the engine bay. Go ahead and pop the hood again. I want to see how it turned out. I didn't get to see it like fully dry now. It's been sitting here for a while. It should look
pretty decent.
Yeah.
It should have dried, or should be dry by now.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Dude, that's so much better than what it was.
There's dirt all up in here.
Oh yeah. That looks a lot better. It's still a little, I mean, down in the sides and stuff,
Yeah.
but it's at least no longer like greasy on
Yeah.
top, and I don't know. It looks so much better than what it did. So let us know what you guys think. If you guys like the way these headlights finally turned out, and like I said, let us know like if you have any ideas as to why they were doing that. Yeah, so I guess go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if whatever you like it, and make sure to subscribe. Like I said, we got a ton more content coming. Still got stuff for the Civic to do, still got stuff for the Explorer, but we'll see you guys in the next one.